Good morning to all. Welcome to the second class. So, we started with the chapter My Teeth. And what did we learn in the last class? We learnt about teeth and we learnt about the different types of teeth and the structure of a tooth. So, do you all remember which are the different types of teeth? So, which are they? The first one is the incisors, the second one canines, third premolars, and the fourth is molars. These are the different types of teeth. So now let's discuss about another topic, and that is about tooth decay. So do you know what is the meaning of tooth decay? So let's see here. It is the destruction of teeth, usually from the production of acid by bacteria that feeds on food accumulated on the surface of the teeth. So that is tooth decay. So it is the destruction of teeth. So what is the meaning of destruction? Destruction means an action that causes damage. What it is? An action that causes damage. So what is destruction of teeth? So it is the damage to our enamel or on the teeth surface. That is destruction. So how does this happen? So it happens when the bacteria which is present in our mouth produces acid. Okay, so the bacteria which is present in our mouth produces acid and that attacks our enamel. So this is how our teeth gets decayed. So that is called tooth decay. So it is the destruction of teeth. It is the damage to our enamel. How does it happen? It happens when the bacteria produces an acid that causes damage to our enamel. So that is called tooth decay. So let's see, why do teeth decay? So as I discussed now, so it is the damage to our enamel. So in the last class we learnt that our teeth is covered with a hard material which is called as the enamel. That is the hardest material in our body. And this enamel is made up of minerals. It is made up of minerals. So these germs are living organisms. So some germs are present in the mouth. So when we eat something, you know what happens? Sometimes some food gets stuck in between our teeth or on our teeth. So what happens? The germs which are present in our mouth, it will feed on the sugar that is present in the food. Then what happens? These bacteria will produce an acid. What happens? These bacteria will produce an acid. And our teeth gets exposed to the acid that is produced by bacteria. So gradually what happens? Gradually we can see the tiny white spot in our teeth. So when our teeth gets exposed to the acid which is produced by the bacteria, we can see the tiny white spot in our teeth. So if this continues, if this tooth decay process continues, what happens? This white spot gradually changes into a brownish color. So the white spot darkens to a brownish color. Then what happens to our enamel? We learned that enamel is the hardest material that is made up of minerals. So what happens to our enamel? The enamel gets weakened. And a tiny hole, a small tiny hole which is called the cavity forms in our teeth. And the cavity is painful. So that is why we always say we should rinse our mouth properly after having food, so that the food will not get stuck in between our teeth. And always remember that before going to bed, you should wash your mouth properly. And you should not eat anything except water before going to bed. It is very, very important. You should take care of your teeth. Otherwise, your teeth will get decay. So that is very, very important. So now let's see food for healthy teeth. So in order to have healthy gums and healthy teeth, we need to have food items that are rich in vitamin C. So do you know which all food items contain vitamin C? Food items like orange, lemon, leafy vegetables, all these are rich in vitamin C. And you have to have these vitamin C rich food in order to keep your teeth and your gums healthy. The next is about the right way to brush teeth. So we all brush our teeth every day. And do we brush our teeth in the right way? So let's see. Oral hygiene is very, very important. That is brushing our teeth twice in a day, that is in morning and at night. Then regular checkup with the dentist. It all keeps our gums and teeth healthy. So let's see the right way to brush our teeth. So the one thing you need to remember is you have to use a soft brush and you have to brush your teeth gently for few minutes. So first you need to brush the front of the teeth, as you can see the picture here. So you have to brush the front of the teeth. So you have to brush it gently for few minutes. Then you have to brush between the teeth. The next thing is you have to brush between the teeth. Then you have to brush on the crown, the part that is visible. So you have to brush on the crown. Then you have to brush at the back of the teeth. So first you have to brush the front of the teeth, then you have to brush in between the teeth, and then you have to brush on the crown, then you have to brush at the back of the teeth. So you have to brush each part gently for few minutes. Then what you have to do? You have to rinse your mouth with water for at least 5 to 6 times. So that is good to have a healthy gum and healthy teeth. So you have to brush your teeth in the right way. And another important thing is you have to brush every day, that is twice a day, once in the morning and once before going to bed. It is very, very important to keep your gums and teeth healthy. Okay, so we all need a healthy teeth, right? So in order for that, we need to take care of it. So you have to brush your teeth properly. So you have to brush in the morning and night, and you have to brush your teeth gently for few minutes. Now let's see the life skills. It is given in page number 18. Keeping teeth healthy and strong. So what are the steps that we need to follow? Clean your tongue with a tongue cleaner. So you can use a tongue cleaner to clean your tongue. Then rinse your mouth with water after eating. So after having your food, you have to wash your mouth properly. Then do not eat anything after you brush your teeth at night. So once you brush your teeth at night, you should not have anything. You should not eat anything except water. Then replace your toothbrush when the bristles begin to wear down. So bristles means the short, stiff hair. So when it starts to wear down, you have to replace your toothbrush. Then do not share your toothbrush with anyone, which is very, very important. You should not share it with anyone. Then have a dental checkup once every year. In order to maintain a healthy gums and teeth, you can visit the dentist once in a year for your dental checkup. So these are the things that you need to follow. Then you have an activity in page number 22, and that is the project zone. So go through the activity and do the activity, and once you are done, you can submit in Microsoft Teams. So we are done with the second chapter, that is about my teeth. And what did we learn in this class? In this class, we learned about tooth decay. Then we learned about the food for healthy teeth and gums. Then we learned about the right way to brush our teeth. So you can go through the textbook. We'll meet in the next class with a new chapter. Till then, thank you.